Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral, and I'm Heidi. I'm going to be making my lasagna rolls today, and we're going to start off with a package of frozen spinach, which I just put in a saucepan and turn it on low heat, just so that it won't be frozen anymore and it's pliable. And I'm also going to start a large pot with water. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and I've added a little bit of salt to the water. We are going to be using oven-ready lasagna noodles. These are my favorite from Aldi. We are going to place some foil on a cookie sheet, and I lightly spray it with some vegetable oil, and this will ensure that my noodles won't stick when I'm trying to put all the good stuff into the lasagna noodle. We're going to also pour in 1 jar, and this is my favorite, the fresh mushroom. We're going to pour it all right into the bottom of that 9x13. Excuse the way that pan looks. Now my water has come up to a boil. We're going to add in our lasagna noodles. What I love about using the oven-ready noodles is that I feel like they don't tear like the regular noodles, and they also take less time to boil. So about 10 minutes, and here they are, and you lay them out on your cookie sheet. And now it's time to load them with all the yummy goodness. I'm using cottage cheese. I'm going to put a little cottage cheese, but you can also use ricotta if you like. But I was unable to find any at my grocery store, and you can see here that I've placed it. Now we're going to put my spinach on, right on top of the cottage cheese. There it is. And now I'm going to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to just simply roll this up, and I'm trying to demonstrate to you how to do this with one hand, so excuse the imperfections. But you're just going to roll up your lasagna noodle, and then you're going to place your little round roll right on top of that pasta sauce you poured in the bottom of your 9x13. And as you can see here, I begin to layer it in there. Now some of them will tear just a little bit, but don't fret, because all of that will be covered up with some yummy goodness and no one will be the wiser. Here's my pan all nice and full of the lasagna rolls. And now you're going to pour a second jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce right on top. We're going to top it with some Italian style cheese and the rest of my Parmesan. Here it is, ready to go into a 375-degree oven until it is nice and browned and bubbly. And boy, will your house smell good. There it is, all done. Oh, it's amazing. It is so good, so simple. I serve it with some garlic bread, and I hope you all enjoyed seeing this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.